Hello everyone and welcome to the afternoon science show. I hope you are having a good day. And today our guest is a very successful scientist.
Hello.
And he is going to tell us about radioactivity.
And a few other things like the history of the discovery of radioactivity, health hazards, units of radioactivity, and finally how an atom becomes radioactive.
But first, what is radioactivity? Radioactivity is a physical phenomenon by which unstable atomic nucleus spontaneously transform into other atoms by simultaneously emitting particles of matter and energy.
It is indeed how it works in general, but do you know a little bit about the history of discovery?
No, tell me.
Well, radioactivity was discovered by the French scientist Henri Becquerel in 1896 when he was working on phosphorescent materials.
Pierre and Marie Curie did also play an important role in the further usage of radioactivity, if I'm not mistaken.
They sure did, as they had a really important factor in medicine and in science in general.
They were also guided in their research by the isolation of two new elements, radium and
polonium,
which led to a huge step forward in the treatment of cancer.
They were then the first to coin the term radioactivity.
Very good. Now on to another subject that a lot of you guys asked us to talk about, which is health and radioactivity. So Julian, tell us about that.
Well, first, Marie Curie protested against the use of radium treatment because people did not understand the real effects of radioactivity on the human body. Actually, radiation can cause cancers. Marie herself died from leukemia, which is caused by an excess of radiation.
Indeed, long exposition to radioactivity can cause different cancers as well as other diseases.
Yeah, and did you know that there is a special unit used only to measure radioactivity?
Oh no, what is it?
It's called the Becquerel. There is also the unit invented by Marie Curie, which is called the Curie. And 1 Curie equals 3.7 times 10 to the 10th power Becquerels.
Well, in general, radioactivity is the instability of a nucleus of an atom which is caused by the excess of a neutron or a proton. So Julian, thank you very much for coming by.
Thank you.
Till the next time. Thank you guys.
Bye.